Bro, where have you been?
Did you change the name of the channel?
What's the channel schedule looking like? Relax, guys. I'm gonna answer all these videos right here, right now, in this video. So, let's get to it. Welcome back to the channel, Fashion Lovers. It's your boy, Luke Kenny, and welcome back to another banging video, guys. So, today's video is a channel update for my Living Out Passions crew, all my subs, and I want to start this off right with an apology for my lack of consistency towards the end of last year. I was really busy with other projects and I went on a holiday at the end of the year as well. But I'm back, I'm pumped, and my brain is buzzing with great video ideas for you guys. So guys, I really hope that explains my absence towards the end of last year, but I'm really excited. I've got a lot of great videos planned, and if you're excited, then go ahead, drop in the comments 2023 and a video idea that you guys want me to make this year. So let's move on to the updates. So I did change the name of the channel. I know some of you guys might have been on your laptop and you saw the video and you're like, hey, what is this? Bro, who is this guy? I'm not subscribed to him. But whoa, chill guys, just relax. It's your boy. I just changed the name of the channel from Living My Passions to Living Our Passions because I wanted this channel to be bigger than just me, right? It can't just be me. I want it to be about a journey for all of us. So I changed it to Living Our Passions because I want this channel to be bigger than just myself. I want it to be about a community of fashion lovers, people who want to make some dope clothes and learn more about fashion. And so that's why I changed it for it to be more inclusive of all you amazing people. I did also change the prints to my birth name, Lukeni Mikael, and you guys can call me by that. I didn't want to only go by my nickname. I also wanted you guys to know my actual name. It seems like a really small thing, but it matters to me. So guys, the last update is the posting schedule for this year. My goal is to be posting 2 times a week. One time will be some sort of discussion-based videos like some sort of history video, fashion review, runway, designers, anything of that nature. The second video will be a DIY or upcycle like patchwork or tie-dye, right? But it won't always be. Sometimes I will need to post 2 discussion type videos because it's just easier to be more consistent with how long the upcycling and DIY videos can be. So guys, you're all now up to date. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did, guys, I really appreciate it because I know not a lot of people will just watch a channel update video. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and you guys can be expecting a whole lot of awesome content.